Boy, my new OAKHILL pup's sounding good. No, they haven't, Chris. Coming up the edge, just like the one I killed the other day. Listen to that pup. There he is, Chris, in the road! Hell, he run out right down there by that box, just like I figured he would. It's where I killed him the other day. Chris, just let him come out and try and straighten it up and run it. He's a runner. That's a good running rabbit. He's running 400-yard circles. You get him, Chris?
There's your fur. You get down on film?
No. Just hold on. Is he dead? Listen to that pup. Who's that pup? Gracie got him. All right, man. Perfect. Perfect. Congratulations. Out of 1,400 rabbits, you finally got one. Smoke, hold on. Smoke won't give us the rabbit, but I ain't going to do nothing to him. That's good. We finally shooting some over him. Just got him back out of Mr. Clay's starting pen about 2 weeks ago. He's doing a good job.